We'll get you all famous on YouTube.
Whatever helps.
So, you know the drill. If it gets uncomfortable, let me know. It's a bit dry or wet. So it's coming out in little chunks. Feeling okay?
Yeah, all good. No, there's no discomfort. It's
Don't speak too soon.
just noise into it.
You might jinx me.
Oh yeah, I spoke too soon. Mate. All good so far.
Where? So you have got a bit of dead skin wax in the attic region of your eardrum, which is the top part of your eardrum.
Right.
If that skin doesn't migrate, or that wax, or I think it's mainly skin, it can get infected and it can get quite messy in the ear. It can develop into what we call a cholesteotoma.
Right.
So I'm going to approach that delicately and try and remove that.
Okay.
Just to prevent it from building up. The ear canal is lined with skin, and as that skin dies, it sheds. But where the eardrum is at the top, the attic, it can be slightly retracted, so you can get a little pocket. And that skin can just gather in there and get infected, so it can't migrate outwards. It's very delicate. There you go. And that part of the eardrum is very thin as well. It's what we call the pars flaccida.
Okay.
So it's going to be extra cautious when we're approaching that area, but we've managed to get that skin out. The eardrum might be slightly retracted. I'll do a pressure test to see whether you've got any negative pressure behind your eardrum. It's a bit like when you go on an aeroplane and your eardrums buckle inwards because of the air pressure.
Yep.
And that's due to eustachian tube dysfunction. It's the narrow passage behind your eardrum that equalises the air pressure. And that eustachian tube connects to the back of the nose and nasal pharynx. So you've just got some dead skin on the side. You've got a bit of dry skin, so you can just see the doctor will prescribe you something for that.
Been on a hell of a lot of planes, so.
Yeah, you've been globetrotting, haven't you? 15 countries in 1 year, that's amazing.
Yeah, well, it's
That's all day.
trip of a lifetime on it.
How are you feeling?
But you can hear the difference already.
Fantastic.
Excuse the pun.
So